Hello, viewers. Sriram Kumar here, and I have Sujit in front of me who cleared PMP recently in the month of November. So he's happy, good, relaxed, and I believe he slept well last few days after getting the certificate. Because when the certificate is behind you, you can't sleep well. And that's how it is. First thing, congratulations, Sujit, for this wonderful achievement.
Thank you very much, Sriram. I'm Sujit here. Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would love to thank Sriram and Rahul, our entire Sri Learning team, from my bottom of my heart, because without you people, it won't be possible at all. So getting PAP certified, it's a proud moment and immense happiness. Thank you, Sriram. Yeah.
Great, great, great. I know you want to give it, but still, also we know that every candidate say that Shiram, you did it, but actually we would have done very limited. You guys put a lot of effort, man. No sleep, no proper food, a lot of frustration at office, a lot of frustration at family. Somebody open the door, don't open the door, close it, back, go back. That too, when you write this mock exam, family member open the door, they will get the highest scolding.
Yeah.
After
True,
all this
Sriram.
thing,
So
yeah.
much sacrifice and
I know what happens when the exam happens. Somebody will phone call you. Those are the toughest situation. You can't say you cannot tell I won't take the phone. You got to take the call.
I used to keep my phone in the flight mode, Sriram, during the mocks for
Okay.
4 hours.
Oh man, that's good. Good to know. So Sujit, which domain you come from? What do you do?
Sriram, I'm currently located in Mumbai. I come from the construction domain,
Hmm.
and I'm into the oil and gas sector.
Construction in oil and gas.
Oil and
Oh,
gas sector. Okay, and
oh,
I am into the controlling PMO.
good man. That's a big field, I believe. Huh?
Yeah, true, Sriram. So we deal with the cross-country pipeline projects. The
Hmm.
cross-country pipeline is nothing but the laying of the pipeline from one city to the another city, or from one state to the another state, which involves 500-kilometer pipeline projects and 1,000-kilometer pipeline projects. So we are handling n number of such kind of projects, and I'm looking different kinds of project for POC companies such as IOCL, GAIL
Understand.
India
Got you.
Limited.
Got
Yeah,
you. But it will be called as a construction as a constructing of oil and gas related infrastructure.
yeah,
Okay.
laying of the cross-country pipeline, which will be used for
Understand.
transfer of the oil and gases for the future development.
That's impressive. So how this PMP thought came?
Because Sriram, I'm into the PMO department, right? And getting a PMO, PMP certified was a must. So I was feeling something lagness in my skills, and I wanted to achieve something with the PMP certification. So basically, it started last year in May 2020, Sriram, during the lockdown. Before that,
Mm-hmm.
due to the office, and I was not getting any time, and this one I used to postpone. I was knowing regarding the PMP, but because of this office work and all those things,
Mm-hmm.
I used to keep on postponing. So during last year, May 2020, I thought that this is a good time to get PMP certified. So I was just surfing through the YouTube. Then I suddenly saw a few videos, the success stories. So I gone through few videos. Then I was pretty much impressed. So immediately I logged into the Google and I got Rahul number. So
Uh-huh.
I called Rahul. So Rahul, it took just 10 minutes for him to convince me. So I was actually not aware this online training, because we're habitual to the classroom trainings, right? And
Right.
I don't know regarding this online training and all those things. Yeah, whether I don't know anything. But Rahul, it took only 10 minutes for him. He clarified each and everything. In 10 minutes, he convinced. It's like a magic. So, man, then I told that, okay, I have one condition. Then only I can join. So
Mm.
I made a condition that I saw the video, and the instructor, I need the same instructor. Then only I will carry on. Then because in institutes there will be many instructors, right? So I was not knowing anyone. I just saw you and I told I need Sriram only. Otherwise, I will rethink. Then he told, no,
I'll
no, no,
get
sir.
a money back policy.
Then no, Rahul told, no, 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 this one, sir, Mr. Sriram will be this one will be taking the classes. Then I was very much happy. Then immediately I enrolled and I joined. So I attended the first few sessions. Sorry, Ram. After that, I lot bit interest sitting for 4 hours and also due to the office pressure because we started work from home, right? There was huge pressure. So I left. I became a bit lazy. So I keep on postponing the things. So I actually my vision was to get certified in 2020. So, but it did not happen because of my laziness. So the dream gone. So again in Jan 2021, our offices resumed. I came back to Mumbai from my hometown. So company started the bus services. They told strictly to avoid the public transport. So they started the bus services. So we used to use the bus services. Usually, Sriram, it takes 2 hour journey for to reach my office. And
Very long, man.
yeah, and while coming also, it takes 2 hours. So just during the traveling in bus, again I went to the YouTube. I saw a few success stories in bus. So again, it ignited my fire, ignited the PMP fire.
Okay, so
And
you read books in the bus while you're traveling. You keep reading.
Yeah. What happened, Sriram? I called Rahul again after watching the few success stories. He told that, sir, new batch is starting. You can join. So I joined again. After joining again 1 or 2 sessions, same my laziness, my interest, it happened the same thing. Then again in the month of something, I was feeling very guilty on myself. I keep on postponing the things because of other commitments, this office work and all those things. So again, what happened in the month of March, I called Rahul again. And he without with so much of patience, he said, sir, don't worry, you join in March batch. I was feeling, I'm troubling this guy so much, but he's such a supportive. There were no negative, nothing. He just told it, no issue, sir. You join March batch, you will achieve your dream. So I joined the March batch. So I made that this time it should happen. So the first few sessions started. So suddenly, what happened, Sriram? During that period, there was a massive second wave of COVID.
Right.
Yeah, second wave COVID started after attending the few sessions. I think in the first week of April. Okay, so our offices got shut down. Again, the work from home started. So me and my wife went to our hometown. Then sadly, I got infected with COVID. So,
And that's tough. Okay.
yeah, and it was very severe. So there were some patches in my lungs. My oxygen level got down, and I was admitted to the hospital.
Bad. Okay. Tough
Yeah,
time. Tough
yeah.
time.
Then it was a horrible period, Shriram, for me. Then it took total 3 months for me to recover from the COVID. Post COVID, also there were horrible symptoms for me. So it took complete 3 months to get recover. So I came back in the mid of July. Me and my wife came back to Mumbai. Our offices got restarted. So during that period, I exactly remember on 21st of July, Sriram, you shared a 2.5 minutes video in WhatsApp group. Okay, I went to that video, 2.5 minutes. I don't know, after watching that video, literally my internal energy and the fire regarding the PMP restarted.
I thought after watching the video, You close that WhatsApp group and come out.
So during that COVID period, I muted all the WhatsApp groups, Sriram.
Okay.
Somewhat I went to that group and I don't know that I clicked that video and saw that video. After
Okay.
going through that video, just 2.5 minute video, morning video, uh, you're motivating that consistency and discipline, the two words you use at the last. I was literally amazed with that video. Then I
Okay.
decided I will take a time from 1st August to
Hmm.
this one, October, 90 days, the strict consistency and discipline. Then I will this one. So I took the printouts, everything,
Hmm.
this McGriffith,
Hmm.
sixth edition Agile practice guide. I took all the printouts before 1st August. On 31st of before the August 1st, I guess. Yeah, I started studying. I made a
Hmm.
timetable, Sriram. From morning, whenever I'm traveling to the office, 1 hour I'll utilize in the bus. And
Hmm.
while coming from office, I will use 1 hour in bus. And after reaching home, from night 8 to 12, I used to study. And I used
Hmm.
to watch. First, what I did, I was having all the recording of the March batch. Okay,
Hmm.
Rahul has shared all the credentials. So first, what I did, I started going through your sessions one by
Hmm.
one.
Hmm.
So it took complete 1 month with strict discipline. And
Hmm.
in weekends, I used to study for 14 hours, 12 to
Very
14
good.
hours.
Wow.
Strict
Wow.
discipline.
Man,
Yeah.
14 hours you read.
Yeah, 14 hours watching the sessions. I used to take the screenshots. I used to make
Okay.
notes. Yeah,
Okay.
it took complete 1 month, Sriram, to
Uh-huh.
complete your all the recordings, making notes. In the
Hmm.
meantime, I studied Rita also, and
Hmm.
I completed this Pinbox 6th edition and Agile practice guide. And I
Hmm.
completed this McGriffith. First, you told that to study the chapter 1 and 5
Hmm.
to add some add-on to the Agile concepts.
Right.
I am from non-agile background, Shreyam. I was not knowing anything. I was having zero knowledge until July 31st. Okay, and I started recordings, and it took 1 month exactly to prepare notes, understand the concepts. Then I was very much confident. Now PMP certification is in my radar.
Mm,
Yeah.
that's good. You got the hold.
Then
Now you got the hold.
yeah. I was very much confident. Then suddenly I was afraid of agile. The way
Mm.
you thought the classes, then agile became pretty much easy compared to the predictive. So I thought, yeah, agile is very easy compared to the predictive.
Mm.
Unnecessary, I was afraid of the things. So yeah, what I did, August, September 1st to September 15th, I was doing the revisions. What all I make the did the notes and all those things. It took 15 days for the revision. Then I was totally confident, Sriram. Then I took the podcast. So still 45 days were left for the exam.
Mm.
Okay, I took my prefcast the subscription alone, and I attempted the first mock. The first mock I got 90 percentage.
Oh man, top. Okay.
Then I was, oh, great.
On
Then
the cloud. Over the cloud. Huh?
yeah, then what I did, I gone through first wrong answers. What
Mm.
what I went wrong. Then I gone through the correct answers as well. So
Mm.
in Prepcast they explain the this one, the scenarios, each and everything. So I made notes of this Prepcast one. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
Then after a few days, I attempted the mock second, this Prepcast. So I got 86 percentage in second mock.
Good.
Yeah. Then again, I made the notes and I maintained on discipline, Sriram. I was knowing that my exam is will be in the morning, right? At 8
Right.
o'clock,
Right.
8 to
Same time
12.
you did it.
Yeah.
Mm.
In weekends, same time, wearing a mask, creating atmosphere like exam atmosphere. Yeah. And my wife is in the IT field, right? And
Uh-huh.
she's always having the calls. I told Shukla, I'm writing mock, please help me. She supported a lot. She used to go outside and attend the calls.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm. That's interesting.
Then yeah. strict discipline, Sriram. It's all about
Good.
consistency and the
Yeah.
discipline.
Right.
And
Right.
yeah,
Hmm.
if from March batch, Neetu and Arpit, okay,
Hmm.
they helped me a lot during this journey.
Very good.
So
Very good.
yeah, Neetu told that there is one PMI study hall. I thought,
Hmm.
what is that? I don't know. Then I called her.
Hmm.
Then she told that PMS study hall is there. If you there are two mocks, you should try because their language
Hmm.
exactly matches with the
Main
exam,
exams.
main
Right.
exam. So okay, then I took this PMI study hall around Rahul. Luckily, the same day Rahul shared some code,
Hmm. Hmm.
coupon code.
Hmm.
Immediately I applied and I got good discount.
Okay. Nice. That's
And
good.
yeah, and Neetu called again. Then she told that, Suji, there are some practice questions.
Hmm.
Don't go for this practice questions because the same practice questions appears in the mock. Okay, so don't go that practice questions. Then I
Hmm.
told, no, 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 I want the real picture of mine. I will not touch the practice question. Directly, I will go to the mock.
Hmm.
Okay, then I went with the PMS study hall first mock, and I got 72 percentage.
Hmm.
And during the examination, the questions were pretty tough, pretty tough.
Hmm. Hmm.
So I was thinking, yeah, if 72, I thought 75 percentage will be the passing. So I'm
Hmm.
still lagging. The Prakash score is 90, and here I'm getting 72. I was really a bit depressed. Then again, I started revisions and all those things. Okay.
Hmm.
But I was pretty much confident. Then I gone through the Prepcast 3, Prepcast 4. The scores were again 90, 91. And yeah,
Pretty high, man.
yeah, pretty high. Then the same, this one I used to review the things and all those things. By that time, I was completely confident. And
Hmm.
second I kept for the last, okay,
Hmm.
the second PMI study hall.
Hmm.
So exactly 1 month was remaining, Sriram. Unfortunately, what happened? I fractured my right foot just
Ah,
1 month
man.
before.
It's a bad time. Okay.
Then suddenly me and my wife were worried, but I thought that whatever I should I will not postpone the exam. I
Hmm.
will stick to it.
Hmm.
So I used to take the painkillers, Sriram. I used to get sleep, but I used to control my sleep. I used to
Hmm.
take water and all those things.
Hmm.
So in the meantime, we had a study group as well. We have Archana and Muhammad from the
Hmm.
March batch.
Hmm.
So it helped me a lot. I used to take agile sessions to them. So with that, I used to improve my skills as well.
Okay.
So in
People.
one night, suddenly what happened? We sat for 4 to 5 hours. Complete agile practice guide we completed at a stretch.
Uh-huh. 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 That's
Yeah,
interesting. That's I think group activity helps a lot when you
yeah,
meet the right minded people, so you can move faster. That's good.
yeah.
That's good.
True, Sriram. True.
Mm.
Coming back to the exam, I took a center-based exam. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and before that exam, as you told, the day before the exam, I saw your videos.
Mm.
Uh, just be calm down, don't do anything silly
Mm.
things and all those. Just go through the flashcards. So I
Mm.
did the same thing. I followed what all you said. Then
Mm.
I made a habit before taking exams to sleep early.
Mm.
Okay, during
Mm.
the mocks. The same
Mm.
thing I did before my exam. I
Mm.
slept at 7 o'clock. I got up at 4 and coolly I went to the exam.
Mm.
So I was pretty much confident and I was very much cool. Okay.
Mm.
Then suddenly when I entered the exam, this Pearson center, I don't know, suddenly I was feeling nervousness after getting into the exam, into
Okay.
their room. They
Okay.
told that you should switch off the phone, and they gave the locker key. They told that
Mm.
you should not touch your bag. Whatever
Mm.
the eatables, whatever the medicines are, you keep aside. They are
Mm.
very professional, Shrira. By looking
Right.
at them, I
Right.
do very professional.
Mm.
So they took all the formalities done. Then I went inside the exam hall. I don't know. I was sweating like anything. Glad they allowed to wear a jacket for me. Okay,
Mm.
it was
Mm.
very chilled atmosphere. they allowed. Then I was wearing a jacket. I was sweating like anything, even though after preparing these many mocks and all those things, I was completely blank. So they gave that some instructions came. She told that if you want to continue the instructions, you can go with the instruction. Otherwise, directly click your exam will start.
Mm.
I gone through all the instructions. Then
Mm.
still I was very much depressed and hands were sweating, Sriram. So suddenly I clicked the next button and exams immediately first question came.
Question started.
Question started and I thought, Array, time was also running. Then first question was a four-liner question. I
Mm.
read once, I read twice, I read thrice. I did not understand the question at all. Then I gone through the options. So options also, then I flagged, I went to the next question. Okay.
Mm.
And for first question, it took 3 minutes.
Mm.
First question itself. And without answer. So second question same, four-liner, same like first question only. I read thrice, no hint, nothing. Then third question I went. Okay. Third question also same, four-liner, same options. Then I was sweating. Even then, what I did, I just calmed down myself. I wasted 1.5 minute. Uh, just I kept silent. Just
Mm.
three. There it was like three bouncers from the PMI,
Mm.
solid
Mm.
bouncers. Okay.
Mm.
Then I wasted 1.5 minute. I calmed down myself.
Mm.
Then I prayed to the God and I told myself I did so much efforts. So let's give my best, whatever
Mm.
comes. That
Mm.
fourth question was pretty easy. Okay.
Mm.
Then
Mm.
I answered that one. Fifth question was also okay
Moderate.
in my
Okay.
radar. Okay. Then sixth question also it was in my radar. And seventh question again four-liner came. But uh, now I'm in rhythm, right? Started my rhythm. Same like in mocks, in prep class, in study hall.
Right.
So I started, even though in between the bouncers were coming, but I used to handle the questions properly.
Mm.
So I
Mm.
made a discipline for first session 75 minutes. First 60 questions, it took 60 minutes. Okay. Then I
Mm.
kept 15 minutes for the review.
Mm. Mm.
So at the 75th minute, I completed my first session. So
Good.
while going through the review, I came back to the first, second, and third questions, Ram.
Mm.
Okay. I
Mm.
read the first question. Okay. Then after, I don't know, initially I was nervous, right? When I was reviewing the flag question, so I understood what the
Mm.
answer.
Mm. Mm.
So I completed the first session during the 75 minute. I was using the burn down chart during my exam. Imagine
Mm.
my ideal time. This one should be below that graph.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
And I went to the this one. I took 10 minutes break and I started 10 minutes break I took. So during the 10-minute break, what happened, Sriram? I did not see the time while going outside.
Okay.
So then I came back. Then again they told that, sir, again we have to show you, check your
Take it.
pockets, tap your jeans, everything. I
Right.
told, I think my time started. It's
Mm.
your mistake. She told. Okay,
Mm.
okay. I want to go inside. Then I
Mm.
went. Already 2 minutes gone.
Mm.
75th minutes it ended. It started at 77 minutes.
Mm. 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 Okay. Okay.
Yeah, but I was pretty cool. Okay, no issue. Then second part was a bit okay, Sriram. There was
Mm.
not
Moderate.
like four-liner questions, moderate. So
Mm.
I completed pretty much fast, and same I took same 75 minutes. Even though I completed early, but I
Mm-hmm.
was reviewing all those questions
Mm.
carefully. Then I
Mm.
submitted uh, the second. I took a 10 minutes break again. Then
Mm.
third. At the 100th question, I came to know that now I'm a PMP certified. That
Mm.
inside feeling.
Started
Okay.
getting it. Okay.
Yeah,
So it
yeah.
was different than the first question. First two question you were shocker. Now
Yeah.
you are in
First
a
three
hold of
questions.
suspect.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So in second part, the questions were moderate. Don't know because of my rhythm or practice of these much mocks. So it was like, okay.
Mm,
And at 100th question, I thought that I am certified, but I wanted to get above target in all the three domains. That was my
mm,
goal at that time.
mm,
So I told myself, don't be overconfident. Still 60 questions are there. Let's attempt that.
mm,
So again, start in third session, third part, four liner question started. First question, second question. Then I
mm.
told myself, yeah, this PMI, what they are doing, this four liner and options are all two liner now.
Mm, mm.
Uh, I started. My rhythm was good, and I was pretty much fast. Okay, and I completed well before. So there was ample of time remaining, 30 to 35 minutes.
Wow. That's a good
Yeah,
speed. So
yeah,
30
very
minutes you
much.
had means nearly you took 3.5 hours exam.
Yeah,
Mm,
I was
mm,
pretty much fast, Ram, and but I did not end the exam. I
mm,
carefully reviewed each and everything again. One
mm,
disadvantage with the review is that we get confused.
mm.
Some this one. So, but still, I continued with the review. Then I was confident that I will get this one.
Good,
Congratulations. Yeah,
good. So you
submitted
click the
and
button. You click the
yeah,
final button. It
yeah,
shows congratulations.
congratulations. It came, but I was worried I should get above target in all the three domains.
Man.
So I
Mm,
wanted to see that. Immediately she came. Then she told to come outside. Then I went, and she gave the report card. And she
mm,
hided the report card, not showing that much professionals they are. Okay,
mhm.
and I saw there were all the three. Literally, I was emotional after seeing about target in all them. First, that I remembered your picture on the Sriram. After that, okay, and. I came outside. Directly, I called you. First, directly, I called you. So I think you were in the office work. Okay. Then I called my wife.
Mm,
So then I told her. She was pretty happy. Okay.
nice, nice.
Then I called Rahul. Okay, our robo. Rahul, I said, he said, congratulations, sir. I was knowing that definitely you'll get about target
Mm,
in all the three
mm,
domains. Congratulations, he told. Then I called my mom. Actually, my parents were unaware regarding the exam. Okay, I did
oh,
not tell
okay,
at all. My
okay.
exam scheduled on 2nd of November. I did not tell because if I tell, mom
Mm.
will do all those puja and all those things. I don't want to
Okay.
uh,
Mom is
make
mom
them
always.
nervous. Yeah, and mom, she was shocked. Okay,
When you did it,
then
why did not tell me?
why did I tell? That's why she was actually what happened, Sriram. Before this 1.5 month, I
Mm.
got exit from all the Twitter, Insta, Facebook, everything, and
Uh-huh.
even friends WhatsApp groups also. I told them that I'm up to achieve something, so I will be away for a few months. I will get back to you.
Mm.
And I was not talking to my parents properly,
Mm.
friends, nothing. Only me and my wife. Okay, that's it. So
Okay.
my mom, what happened to him? He's not talking. All those negative thoughts running in my mom's mind. So when I
Okay. After
told
the
the
result,
news,
did you spoke to all? Did you had a call with them?
yeah. After that, I called to my mom, dad, everyone. So I told my friends to add me in the group. Then I shared this
They said they
about
won't. We won't add you. PMP call if you would not added. Rejected.
So it was like we did I came back, then we did a good party. The same night we traveled to our hometown. I made a plan. If I fail, I will not go to the hometown. We will celebrate Diwali in Mumbai only. Okay.
Okay.
If we pass, then only we will go to our
Hometown.
hometown and celebrate.
Right.
Yeah. We did
That's
party and we went to our hometown. So
nice.
Diwali was good. 6 days we enjoyed like anything. We did party.
Nice.
Then still
Good.
the party mode is on. Our few friends they went to this one Jammu. Still they
Uh,
have not returned it. After coming
uh,
there again, we'll have a blast
nice. Nice. Nice.
because we need that kind of party, Shriram. Because PMP literally is kneel down us. Okay, we need so much sacrifices. Huh?
Good. Nice to know. Nice. I like the whole narration of the content from the day you started till you clear with the
Thank you,
party.
Sriram. Thank you, Sriram.
That's a good one, actually. Fine. Fantastic. So now if you want to give tips to people, what do you
Yeah,
want to give?
tips. Yeah, first of all, PMP is all about the mindset, Sriram. Okay, understand the concept. And one more thing, there is no shortcut. You have to
Mm,
go through the videos, you have to understand the concepts.
mm,
Okay, and there are no shortcuts.
I
Hmm?
understand. Mm.
Yeah,
Makes
first.
makes
And
makes a clear point.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Hard work.
Next is understand this documents, issue
Mm,
log, rest register.
mm,
Pretty much, you have to be very much clear regarding the
mm,
project documents. Okay. The third tip, Shriram, in question, if they say during the mocks, what
mm,
should review? Okay, what should the project manager do first? Okay,
mm,
always don't jump into the actions immediately.
mm,
Okay, first analyze the problem where it started.
mm,
Okay, then only you go jump to the conclusion. And always the sponsor, right? Sponsor is always the last resort. Don't directly go to the sponsors.
mm,
Before that, there are many things.
mm,
And during the vendor management also, don't go to the ADR.
mm,
First, talk to the vendor.
mm,
Okay, discuss the issues. Then only you take actions. And
mm,
one more thing I learned, Sriram, this
mm,
actually it should not be a project management. It should be a people management. It's
mm,
all
mm,
about people, as you
mm,
said.
mm, mm. Yeah.
Meet with the people, discuss with them, have a face-to-face conversations. So all this concept should be very much clear before.
Mm,
Then one more tip, Sriram, give
mhm.
as many mocks you want. Okay, the mocks are which make us to sit for 4 hours.
Right. And it
Yeah,
gives you how to focus. Mm.
focus, and it helps us to read us the question reading ability
Improves.
fast.
Right.
Yeah,
Mm.
fast and this one fluency. It helps a
Mm.
lot. So I have given many mocks, Sriram. Prepcast, the Sri Learning mocks, this PMS study hall. Then
You
I
tried
took
everything.
I took other mocks also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But we recommend 5 is enough. What is your feel? Is it enough?
Sriram, two Sri Learning mocks.
Mm.
Okay, two PMS study hall and Prepcast, two mocks or one mock. That's pretty much
Oh,
sufficient.
okay.
That
Okay.
pretty much sufficient because I was having time, right? I
You
was
have
keep
enough
on
time. Right.
I was keep on giving the mocks.
Okay. Nice. Good. Super.
And
Thanks for valuable tips. Those are really interesting tips. Yeah,
yeah,
please go ahead.
only two words, Sri Ram, this consistency and discipline. It
Mm.
not only helping now and helping me post this PMP also in my personal life also. The consistency and the discipline.
Fantastic. At least after this exam, you're spending time with family.
Yeah. I'm spending the time with family, Sri Ram. It took 90 days of struggle,
Mm.
but
Worth the effort. Worth the effort.
worth effort.
Yeah, because your industry is also highly demanding. Oil and gas and construction, they highly rely on qualified people. And more than a certification, I use the word qualified people who have a
Yes,
knowledge.
Sri Ram. True.
That's very important. Fantastic, man.
Yes,
Super.
Sri Ram.
Great. Really good story. I'm sure all the viewers going to enjoy this. Viewers, I'm sure is so happy. I think a lot of tips he gave, books reading, exam preparation, whole story of a center-based exam, what happened, first 3 questions bounces. Again, don't give up, wait. The right ball will come to you, right? You shouldn't get frustrated and do not do any mistakes there. Hold on, ball will come to you. That's a good message. Fantastic. Great. So any special credit to family?
I have a special credit to the family, my wife, Shri Ram.
Mm,
The same what efforts I took, she also took the same efforts,
mm.
attending the calls, going outside and supporting. And during my this fracture, she took
Ah,
this one so much struggle because I was unable to move right. So bringing the vegetables and all, going to the market. She only did all those things, and she supported a lot.
Lot of support needed. I
Yeah.
appreciate it. Right. I understand this. The PMP part needs a good amount of family support where you need more moral support to move forward. That's pretty important.
True,
Fantastic. Great.
Sriram. True.
Superb. First thing, thanks a lot for coming up here and giving this wonderful track of what all happened. It was a good story narration. I was able to listen the whole story. Right? It has ups, downs, but still, finally you saw that result. And the result, you are not just for result, you are for above target.
Yeah.
You know result will come, but you want to see above
Yeah.
target.
About target in all the three doubles. That was the aim, Sriram.
That's nice. That's nice. I like the way you came out of all the social media. You organized yourself on the time balancing. Really interesting. Good.
Thank you,
Super.
Sriram.
Keep rocking more and keep winning more and maintain this same rhythm. And I'm sure the career will be growing higher and higher. Fine.
Thank you, Sriram. Thanks a lot.
Superb. Thanks for
And-
being here. And
Yeah.
thanks to all the viewers for watching this program. Yes, Sujit, any last notes?
Yeah, special thanks to the Rahul Sriram.
Okay. So he was the one supporting behind the screen.
Yeah. He was every time sometimes I think there is one Rahul or there are n number of Rahuls. Okay, whenever I message him, he will immediately replies me.
Right, he does. Okay, keep winning, winning more in your career path. That's very important. Okay.
Sure, Sriram. Thanks a lot.
Right. All the best. Thank you.
Okay, Sriram. Thank you.